Main focus for today is trying to not have so much wobble out of this wheel. And then we're going over to Paul's to drift this thing because unfortunately as soon as we get here, the salt truck hit Brent Street and screwed us. Like that? No, it's... We're pretty sure either the wheel is warped or this is still warped. I think this tab is still bent.
Yeah, it looks angled in.
And this one is bent in. So I feel like this one needs to go back and this one needs to come forward. Yeah, see? A little bit of Loctite. And...
What do you think, Bear?
Hello, motherfucker.
That was a good one. Oh, there we go.
Is that the right way to do it?
No, you're not.
Would it work? Yeah.
It's custom.
Yeah. Exactly. Like I said, when we want to go to a brake setup on this anyways, we have to change out our wheels.
What the hell's the tightening pattern for a friggin' 3-bolt?
I was like, I guess a circle. I don't know.
How's it look?
Spin it. Oh, that's
Dude, that's
way
That's
better.
even better than that one. Bad? That's bad.
That is way... I mean, it's still a little bit, but it's... Yeah, it is better than this one. Ooh, whipping stuff. But yeah, definitely not having that as tight. It spins way better, too.
Going straight? That rear end's a lot heavier. Just like that. It is. Oh, you got the monosuit?
I do. That's all my work shit.
I think the blue one's the only... the blue one's the only one that fits on my noggin.
Yeah, I think you're right.
See, why color code when you can look like this?
It's gotta warm up.
You got?
Yeah, there's fuel in the tube and the filter.
It looks almost empty. You look low.
But there's fuel.
It looks like slush almost.
That's not good.
Found Spinny. Looks low, like empty as fuck. Definitely an air gap right here. You're out.
Wonderful. Paul, you got any gas?
Yeah, we running wreck in here? Because that's all I got.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, you're getting out because we're not pushing this thing with you in it.
Oh, I was just going to say fucking bring Vinny's work truck with the gas can over here.
No, we'll push it.
Alright, slight pause for intermission. We didn't check the fuel level before we started. More of a bump right here to kick him up when he jumps this. So we gotta get as much snow over here as possible.
You've got $1 million face, but you're a part of every masquerade. Don't say a word about it. You're a crazy train riding alright, but it crashes in, so cover your eyes. So instead of being a jerk about it,
I'm telling you, you gotta follow that path. Oh, you spun? I didn't realize you spun out. It's a little too hot coming down. I noticed. Alright, that should be level enough.
not gonna have a yard or a driveway. You wanna take it?
It makes me shiver, but let's not talk about it. You've got that $1 billion smile that stays forever in my mind. Don't say a word about it. You're a crazy train riding around, crashes here, so cover your eyes. So instead of being a jerk about it, why don't you let it out, out, out? Yeah, instead of being a jerk about it, why don't you let it out, out, out? You're in a race that cannot be won. You've done it to please anyone.
I bet. How's your face feel?
Instead of being a jerk about it, don't you let it out, out, out. I've seen it up and it breaks me down. Why don't you let it
You definitely need more power.
cannot be won? You've done enough to please anyone.
Dude, when you go that way, you launch off that hill, there's that momentary time when there's no resistance on the tires.
Oh yeah?
And all you hear is the motor just
Yeah. Drop her.
That's why I was gonna
That was anticlimactic. That's why I like gasoline. What's in the cooler?
beer
Oh, nice.
or whatever.
This is gonna end terribly. Yeah.
So Brent, roll cage qualified?
She's sturdy like an ox.
Yeah, you started leaking gas
I know,
as soon
I know.
as you
It
tipped
came right out of the cap. Where'd this come from? Right here?
Yeah.
that's our positive lead to the.
So how'd that feel?
The worst thing is the gas in my mouth right now.
Well, she's dead for now until we get a new ring terminal.
That's alright. We can just chillax now.
We can crimp her in there.
Yeah.
You got
I
pliers?
have one.
You got pliers?
Oh, I have a ring terminal.
Alright, let's go get it.
Go get it. Alright, quick little fix. So because we don't have a battery, our battery's strapped down, it
came out on us. Oh, we need to get you a real set of crimpers.
DeWalt channel locks do just fine.
We'll see. Okay. Now we need a lighter. Then we'll hook it up.
Well, Vinny, you forgot something.
For sure, for sure. Babe.
As soon as we started, I was like, man, that chain seems super loose. It's taking a lot of abuse. I'm surprised it lasted that long, to be honest.
Just a minor setback.
She broke.
Well, the problem is we got to find the master link to be able to
put it back together.
Yeah.
Now we sit by the bonfire. Leg day, push it uphill.
It's like football. Slithering. And I'm trying to slip and bite the fucking robot.
Okay.
Note to self. Keep a spare chain in here.
Oh, the hard way.
Paul, we can really use your help.
I'm putting in my 25% filming right now.
Holy shit.
I'm about to put 25%
Oh no, that's
of my foot up your ass.
25.
Here.
You can't take my line.
That's exactly why I said it.
I know, right? You're doing good, Paul. I just need traction.
Long boot's way better than the red wings. For real.
Going up that way?
I was going to drive it out of here. I think that's a fitting way to end the episode.
Alright, down the hill, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Get her, Rose, get her. Stay on. Right.
See, that's their kind of fun. That's our kind of fun.
You got to slide Call of Duty style, just to.
That was a little more lame than I thought it was gonna be.
Another dive.
That's why I do box jumps.
Epic fail.
That's why I do box jumps.
Alright, who wants?
King of the hill.
Jeez, oh me. That one I wasn't expecting. Front I kind of saw coming.
Well, this is payback for high school for those ankle biter moments. Hands cold. Alright, well, go-kart chain's broken, so we need a new one. I think we're gonna go ahead and end the episode here.
On a good note.
On a good note, no one's hurt. Brent may have rolled the cart, but we're good. But thanks for watching Caswell Custom. I'm Vinny.
I'm Paul, and if you know a grass seeder, I need one.
I'm Brent.
We'll see you in the next one.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stop.